In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images, videos, and audio to a Substack newsletter. Start on your Substack dashboard. Head to the posts area to see the list of pieces you've already created. Find the post you want to update, open the three-dot menu next to it, and choose Edit. That brings you into the editor where you can add rich media. Let's begin with video. In the editor toolbar, click the Insert Video icon. A panel will appear that lets you either drag and drop a file or browse your computer. Choose your video file and give it a moment to upload. Upload time depends on your connection and file size, so a stable internet connection helps. Keep an eye on any progress indicators. Wait until processing finishes to avoid broken embeds. When the upload is complete, click Insert to place the video into your post. You'll see a playable block appear in the editor. If you need to move it, you can reposition it like any other block. For the smoothest playback, use common formats like MP4 and keep resolution and file size reasonable. Next, let's add an image. Click the Insert Image icon in the toolbar, then choose Image. Select the picture you want. Once it appears in your draft, click the image to activate its handles. You can click and hold a corner handle and drag inward to make it smaller, adjusting it to fit your layout. Aim for images that are clear but optimized. Oversized files can slow down loading for your readers. Consistent sizing across your post will make it feel polished and easy to scan. Now let's bring in audio. Click the Insert Audio icon in the toolbar. In the options that appear, choose VoiceOver. Here, you can either drop an audio file in or click to browse and select one from your device. If you prefer to record directly, use the record option and grant your browser microphone access when prompted. Speak clearly and monitor your input levels so the sound isn't too quiet or distorted. When you're satisfied, whether you uploaded a file or recorded on the spot, click Done. Your audio block will appear in the editor with a built-in player so readers can press play right from the newsletter. For best results, use a common format like MP3 or WAV and try to minimize background noise. A quick test recording before the final take can save time. That's it. You've edited your post, added a video, inserted and resized an image, and embedded audio. With these elements in place, your Substack newsletter will be more engaging, accessible, and dynamic for your audience.